Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about how to add a text to any surface in Photoshop. So let us start. First of all, import the image in which you want to add the text. Then select the text tool and type your text. Press Ctrl or Command T to transform the text and adjust it according to the image. Click on the text layer thumbnail along with the Ctrl or Command on the keyboard. This will make the selection around the text. Press Ctrl or Command C to copy it and then Ctrl Command D to deselect it. Then choose a new layer. Then go to Filter and Vanishing Point. Draw the area of vanishing point. Press Ctrl or Command V to paste the text. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it. When you are satisfied, hit OK. Now, in the same way, let's add the arrow. Import it from the Finder or Explorer. Click on the layer thumbnail along with Ctrl or Command on the keyboard. Then press Ctrl or Command C to copy it and Ctrl or Command D to deselect it. Choose a new layer, then again go to Filter and Vanishing Point. Do the adjustments and hit OK. Now, select both the layers, right-click and create a group. Right-click on the group and choose Blending Options. In the underlying layer, move the left slider. Then press Alt or Option on the keyboard to break the slider for a smoother effect. Hit OK and it's done. Don't forget to like, and for more such content, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.